If you've built your WordPress site and noticed that your URL is stuck with that extra /WordPress at the end, for example, your website living at example.com/WordPress instead of just example.com, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best, most straightforward way to move WordPress to your domain's root, so your visitors see a clean, professional URL every time they visit your site. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your domain name and give your site the polish it deserves, all without losing your content, breaking links, or making things overly complicated. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll probably know this area well. It's the control center for everything on your site. Once you're in, look towards the left sidebar for settings, then click on General. This page is where WordPress stores its most important site information. Here you'll spot two fields that are vital for this process: WordPress address URL and site address URL. These tell WordPress where your site's files are located and what web address visitors should use to find your site. Right now, both probably end in /WordPress, which is causing that awkward-looking URL. What we want is to clean those up so your site appears right at your main domain. Go ahead and carefully remove that /WordPress bit from both URLs. So now each one just reads as your domain name, something like example.com, instead of example.com/WordPress. Now here's a little heads up. When you scroll down and hit the Save Changes button, it's normal to suddenly see a 404 error pop up. That can feel alarming if you're not expecting it, but don't worry. It simply means WordPress is now trying to load your site from the new root URL, but your files still need to be moved to match that new address. Think of it almost like telling your GPS to navigate to a new home address. You're halfway there, but you need to move the boxes over first. At this moment, a quick pause to reassure you, you haven't broken your site and you haven't lost any content. What we've done is set everything up behind the scenes, so your site will be ready to show up the way you want. Once the files are in the right spot, this confusion is only temporary. Depending on your hosting setup, you'll now need to move your WordPress files, like your WP content folder, themes, plugins, and other key files, from the WordPress subfolder into the root of your public directory. This step isn't handled inside WordPress itself, but with your web hosting's file manager or FTP access. If you're not sure how to do that, don't panic. Most hosting companies have a super straightforward file manager you can use from their dashboard, or you can get help from their support team. Just move everything out from the WordPress folder and into the main public HTML or your domain's root folder, so the new address matches where all the files actually live. Once the files have been moved, try reloading your main domain in a browser. You should see your site loading beautifully at example.com with no extra /WordPress in sight. It's a bit like finally moving into the new place you set up. Everything looks familiar, just tidied up and easier to find. That's it. Following these steps, you'll have your WordPress site looking clean and professional at your main domain. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into bumps along the way, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials and tips on building the website you've always wanted. Thanks for watching.